Today I'm going to show you how to make Korean pancake batter mix from scratch. Yes, you could go to a Korean supermarket and pick up one of these pre-made pancake batter mixes, but I'm going to show you how to make the pancake batter mix using ingredients from your local supermarket and make it just as delicious, perhaps even more delicious than the pre-made pancake batter mix. And today's recipe is for my friends that do not live near a Korean market, so I'm so excited to share this recipe with you so that you could enjoy eating delicious homemade Korean pancakes at home. 오늘의 레시피, 간단하고 아주 맛있는 부침개 반죽 만들기. 오늘도 여러분들과 영어로 함께 하겠습니다. Hi everyone, this is Helen and welcome to Modern Pepper. 안녕하세요, Modern Pepper의 헬렌입니다. The ingredient list is also available in the description box below, as well as the product links that you could order online. To make our Korean pancake batter mix, we need 1 cup of all-purpose wheat flour, unsifted is fine, and 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, 2. And to this, we're gonna add half a teaspoon of granulated garlic powder and half a teaspoon of granulated onion powder and half teaspoon of salt and 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. Then I want you to mix everything up. Here I have 1 cup of cold water, and we're gonna add about half a cup of this cold water to our bowl. And then I want you to mix. So the water amount will vary depending on how hot or how cold your kitchen is, and also if you're at sea level or mountain level. So you just have to adjust accordingly, and I'm gonna show you how. And then I'm gonna add a 1/4 cup, and then I'm gonna mix. Then I'm going to add another 1/4 cup and then mix. So before you add any more water, I just want you to kind of beat our flour mixture to get rid of the lumps for about good 30 seconds. So turn your bowl as you mix. Then I want to add the remainder of our water. Again, just make sure to mix and mix before you decide to add more water. With 1 cup of water that we added, it's a little too thick. We want it to be just slightly more runny. So here I have 1 egg, and if you don't want to add eggs, then I want you to add about 1/8 cup more of cold water. But when you add an egg to your Korean batter mix, it just tastes better. So we're gonna whisk and blend the egg with batter. Whisk and whisk for about good 30 seconds. Now it isn't as thick as before. It's slightly runny, but still thick enough. But let's do a spoon test. You wanna take a large spoon and go inside, turn it over, make sure the back is nicely coated, and then pull it out and run your finger through it, and it should have a clean line. If the line bleeds, then it's too runny, but you want it so that it's still wet enough where the liquid drips like that from the spoon, but the back of the line is nice and clean, like so. And here you have it. Your Korean pancake batter mix is all ready, and you can make delicious Korean pancakes at home using this now. So I know some of you are asking, can you freeze this or make it ahead of time? The answer is no, no, no. You just want to make it right before you make your pancake batter mix. The most I would do is store it in the fridge for about 15 minutes just to keep the batter really cold. But again, tops 15 minutes in the fridge before you get this on the frying pan. Isn't this cool? Now I have to tell you something. This is my secret recipe, so don't share with others, okay? No, this is how my grandmother used to make me pancakes all the time. Oh boy, do I miss her. Anyway, so now that you know how to make delicious Korean pancake batter from scratch, Now you have to make Korean pancakes. These are some of my favorites. 야채전, which is vegetable pancake. So you could literally throw in whatever leftover vegetables you have and make it into this delicious vegetable pancake that we eat all the time. And my other favorite is kimchi pancake, 김치전. And you want to save your extra fermented kimchi that's a little too tangy, a little too sour to eat as is, and you put it in here and make kimchi pancakes. I'm just saying, it's the bomb. And then the other pancake that everyone loves that's on the gourmet side is seafood pancake, 해물파전. Oh boy, if you love seafood and pancakes, it's really good. And then my other favorite way is, when you buy your Napa cabbage, the exterior leaves are a bit wilted and kind of not so good looking. Don't throw those away. You want to use those to make delicious pan-fried Napa cabbage pancakes, 배추전. So juicy and crunchy and so delicious. And what makes Korean pancakes extra delicious when you make it at home is the dipping sauce that you must have when you have Korean pancakes. So I have a recipe on how to make 3 different kinds of dipping sauces. So check it out. So make sure to go to youtube.com/modernpepper and select the playlist tab and select Korean Pancakes recipe playlist. And I'll have all different kinds of Korean pancake recipes that you could check out, as well as the dipping sauce. I'm so excited for you to start making your own pancakes at home now that you know how to make your Korean pancake batter mix from scratch. Remember, don't tell the others. I want to thank you for watching today, and if you enjoyed watching today's video, I want to kindly ask you to click on that thumbs up icon and subscribe and hit that notification bell if you have not done so. 여러분 오늘 재밌게 보셨으면 꼭 좋아요 버튼과 구독 버튼도 눌러주세요. 다음 영상에서 꼭 뵙겠습니다. 감사합니다. Alright folks, I will see you in one of the videos you see right here.